Welcome to WordPress. See this error warning. For each argument must be of type array, object, bool. This is not a regular post. This is custom post in a custom post type. This is custom post type, test post type. We have got two posts here. So if I go to my regular posts, these are my posts, and I go to single post, we see these tags at the end of this post, and these tags will work. But for this custom post type, we don't have tags here. That is why we are looking at this warning here. These tags are coming from the template, appearance, theme editor, and template parts, single layout. And here, this is some custom code to display tags for single post. So we have got global post here, and then post ID as tag, get the tags. So these tags are not available for custom post type like this test post type. That is why we are looking at this error for this custom post type. And the solution is to just check if this is single post and post type is post, not test post type. Like check right here. If and inside if use is single and post type is post, then display all of this, then display tags. And this is a mistake here. This is not single, this is singular. Update file, and let's refresh this blog post, that is a regular post in our WordPress site. So we can see tags here. And now for our custom post type, we will refresh it, and the error is gone from here, because we are just checking if this is single post and post type is post, then get the tags. And tags were not available for this custom post type, so these were not showing here, and we were looking at the warning for each argument must be of type array, object, bool. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.